Hey YouTube, Crazy Jeep Man here, coming to you again with hopefully a video that will help you save a little bit of time and money. Today what we're going to be doing is changing the shifter light, the backlight where it says park, reverse, neutral, and drive. There's a little light bulb in there that every now and then it'll go out. And when it goes out, when you're driving at night, you can't, when you're going to back up or anything like that, you can't tell what gear you're in because it's not lighting up. So what I want to do in this video is show you the simple 5-minute way to change it and save yourself about $500, because I think right now what they're charging is labor is outrageous. I think one guy told me that they charged him, or was going to charge him, about $300 something labor cost to do this simple fix. So hopefully with this video you can do everything yourself. This will be in a 2014, so basically 2012 to 2018 JK. It'll be the same exact repair. So if you're just wondering, you know, if it's for your year model, this is for the 12 to 18 JKU models. So without any more waiting, let's just go ahead and get started. When I'm talking about the backlight for this shifter, whenever at nighttime and you turn your lights on, these right here should light up. My wife's Jeep, we recently purchased it, and these wasn't lighting up. So I just kind of did some research and found out there's a light underneath this that illuminates for you to be able to see what you're doing whenever you're going into shifting. So what we're going to do is, again, take the console part here off. Very easy to do. Pull that bulb out, put a new one in, pop it back in together. I'm gonna say total maybe 5 minutes, if that. Maybe a little bit longer. It's according to how quick you move. Anyway, let's go ahead and get started. We're talking about changing this light out that's underneath here. You have to remove this bezel. Again, it shouldn't take very long, but you will start off by, you'll have to remove this knob, and I'll always say open your armrest. So let's see if we can go ahead and knock this out right quick. First thing you want to do is put your key in the ignition. Turn it to where it don't crank it up. You just, for the auxiliary. Take your e-brake, pull it up as high as it'll go. Open up your center console. Put your shifter neutral. Pull your four-wheel drive to neutral. Pull your knob off. Set it to the side. See if I can do this one-handed. Pop this plastic cover off. Boom. Your bulb is right here. Right underneath. There's two wires. That's right there. You just turn it. There's the bulb. You pop that bulb out, put in our new bulb, and repeat the process. Put it back in, but we'll go, and then put everything back together. But we'll go over that in just a minute. But here's the bulb. I'll give you the part number and everything else, and we'll walk you through how to put everything back in. All right, so here's the part number. These are the bulbs you need. Little bitty bulbs. I mean, really, really small. Anyway, I got this at O'Reilly's, $6, tax and all. 27.21, 2 in a pack. All right, so you'll go over here. You got the wires pulled out, the little holder, and you basically want to, I kind of loosened it up while ago because I'm only using one hand. So you want to pull this out. So that bulb pretty burnt up. All right. So you'll take your new bulb, pop it in, and then you want to try it all out. All right, pop it in. Boom. Make sure it works. You don't want to do all this and not know that it works. And then you will put it back in the little spot underneath here. Turn it, clicked into place, and then we'll repeat the process. I want to kind of show you guys right there, that little hole. That's where this light goes. And the light wire, it's got these two sides sticking out right there. Those go in. And then you turn it, locks it into place. All right, so we got the bulb put back in. Made sure the bulb worked before we ever put it in. So it's all back together. So now you want to put everything back together in reverse order. Take your plastic bezel. See if I can do this one-handed. Slide it in. Make sure it's popped into place. Take your handle or knob. Put it back into place. Close it. Bring your e-brake down. I say put this in. Make sure you're neutral. Put your shifter back up. Put it in park. And you're done.